Do you think past relationships shape our current ones? Have you experienced having a problematic relationship before and it ended? How are you in terms of building another relationship? How do you feel? Are you afraid to start another relationship? Or are you open to meeting someone new? When I lost my husband, it was hard. It was hard to open my doors to meet new connections. I even had a friend for so many years, and this ended because our dreams were not aligned. But should that stop you from making new connections and eventually create a deeper connection than just an acquaintance? My dear friends, welcome to our Tuesday's live video series. This is Cynthia Concordia from Dream to Rise. I believe we tend to carry expectations, behaviors, and emotional baggage from previous relationships into new ones. These can manifest as difficulty in trusting, feeling insecure, or repeating unhealthy patterns. However, it's also possible to learn and grow from past experiences, shaping a healthier approach to future relationships. You know what? According to Tony Hacker, a Seattle area psychologist, past relationships that were emotionally impactful, good or bad, influence how we perceive and experience current relationships. He said, when the feelings you have now are similar to ones in the past, you are much more likely to assume the situation is the same when it may be very different. We often see our excess traits in the person we are currently seeing or potential partners when, in fact, those people are likely to be extremely different from each other. Deep down, we know everybody is different, but our perceptions skew how we understand our potential matches and could get in the way of developing a meaningful relationship. But according to him, don't lose hope. If you know that your present feelings about others are influenced by the past, you can better separate the past from the present. So, freeing yourself to enjoy the relationships you have now. Sometimes it's especially hard to be present in the relationship if the previous one was very emotional. If the past relationship was hurtful, you may fear a similar ending, even it's not on reasonable grounds. If it was a good relationship, you may feel like, oh, you are detracting from that memory by starting a new relationship. In either case, it is important to fully acknowledge and value the lessons you've learned in the past to move on from them. So recall the difficult aspects of the past and then think about the lessons you learned from the relationships. You can't erase things from your memory, but you can close a certain chapter of your life and start again. So, here are a few ways they can influence us. First, learn patterns. Experiences from previous relationships can establish patterns in behavior, communication, and conflict resolution. We may unconsciously replicate positive or negative dynamics. The second is expectations and standards. Past relationships can set benchmarks for what we expect in future partners. These can help in identifying what is non-negotiable versus what can be compromised. The third one is healing and growth. Individuals often carry emotional baggage from their past, which can affect how they approach new relationships. Personal growth and healing from past trauma can enhance future connections. The fourth one is communication styles. The way we learn to communicate in past relationships, both positively and negatively, can influence how we express ourselves to handle disagreements in new relationships. And the last one is trust issues. Experiences of betrayal or heartbreak can lead to challenges with trust in future relationships, making it important to work through those issues for healthy connections. So we've all had moments where the past seems to cling to us like a shadow, influencing our thoughts, emotions, and even our present relationships. Whether it's past relationships, painful events, or unresolved emotions, these lingering memories can have a significant impact on our current life. But the good news is, it is possible to let go of the past and move forward into a healthier and more fulfilling future. But how? Do not let your past relationships affect your present. So, how do we do this? First, acknowledge your feelings. Recognize that past traumas can create emotional baggage that affects your current relationships. Acknowledging these feelings is the first towards healing. The second is communicate openly. Share your fears and your concerns with your partner. This can help them understand your perspective and reduce anxiety about past experiences. The third one is forgive and move on. Embrace forgiveness as a powerful tool for healing. Holding on to resentment can hinder your ability to fully enjoy your current relationship. The fourth one is focus on the present. Allow yourself to experience your new relationship as a fresh start. Avoid comparing it to past relationships, as these can lead to unnecessary stress and discomfort. And the fifth one is seek professional help. If needed, consider talking to a coach or a therapist to help you process your past and develop coping strategies for your current relationship. Moving beyond the influence of past relationships is essential for building a healthy and fulfilling current connection. While the past shapes us, it doesn't have to control our present or dictate our future. So, by recognizing negative patterns, practicing self-awareness, and fostering open communication, you can break free from the constraints of your history. Give yourself and your current partner the chance to create a strong, trusting, and harmonious relationship that is free from the burdens of the past. Remember, your current relationship is an opportunity to create a new narrative, one that is shaped by growth, understanding, and the possibility of lasting love. If you need to have a chat with me because you're having difficulty moving on, please DM me. I would love to share with you how I was able to overcome this problem. I want you to live your life to the fullest. Thank you so much for tuning in. Again, this is Cynthia Concordia from Dream to Rise.